extend our gratitude to our media friends for taking your time and taking this news bite, or you can call it a news conference. As you are all aware that yesterday, the Karbi Student Association Difu District Committee have organized a demonstration or dharna at Samson Singh Inti Memorial Park. The reason why the Karbi Student Association Difu District Committee is organizing this dharna is that because in the distributions of compensations in foreign, many anomalies and many discrepancies happens in foreign compensation distributions. And due to these discrepancies and due to these anomalies, the Karbi Student Associations yesterday organized demonstrations for Mr. Tensing Rompi, who is the competent authority of land acquisitions of our Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. Under the mandate of Tensing Rompi, many Mondo and SK have included their name in the foreign compensations illegally. In this media, we would like to appeal to Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council to terminate Mr. Tensing Rompi as early as possible. Why we are asking to terminate Mr. Tensing Rompi is because he is very incompetent and he is very corrupted. And because of this corrupted person, today many beneficiaries and many downtrodden peoples or many villagers are suffering. They are not even getting their legal compensations because of those Tensing Rompi and other Mondo and other SK. Because of them, today many villagers are suffering because of them. So that's why yesterday the Karbi Student Associations have organized a dharna to terminate Mr. Tensing Rompi and other Mondo like Mr. Tarun Rompi and other Mondos and other SK who are working or who are under the mandate of Mr. Tensing Rompi. If the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council fail to terminate Mr. Tensing Rompi from the Kala post and Mr. Tarun Rompi as early as possible, then we, the Karbi Student Association, in the coming days, we are going to organize road blockade in the coming days. If the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Management Committee, so-called management committee, in the name of distributions of land compensation, they are taking 10% from each affected families. So who are those who have authorized to collect this 10% from the affected or from the disaggrieved families for this land compensation? Who have authorized to collect this 10% compensations money from those affected families? Are they the authorized? Are they the government agent? Or is Mr. Tensing Rompi or the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council have appointed those persons as the management committee members for collecting 10% compensation from each aggrieved families? So if those persons, if those individuals or those management committee who are involved in the management committee, if they are illegally taking money from those affected families or those aggrieved families, then the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council also should take severe actions against those persons. Because of those persons today, the affected families are not getting their compensation as early as possible in this coming 2-3 days. Then we are going to organize a road blockade in National Highway 36, or you can call it the 4-lane highway, in the coming days. We are going to organize and we are going to struggle in a very intense way in the coming days if the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council fail to terminate Mr. Tensing Rompi and Mr. Tarun Rompi and other SK and Mondo who are associated in the anomalies and discrepancies of the foreign compensations. As Mr. CM Tuliram Rohan, he always said that, and also the BJP governments, they always say that they are always against corruptions. If CM Tuliram Rohan and if the BJP government are seriously against corruptions, then they should take stringent action against Mr. Tensing Rompi and Mr. Mondo Tarun Rompi and other Mondos who are associated with them. And also, in this
nang itu apa ini itu karbi bocor ya song pen nang bocor hangat pen nang itu nanti nang tiap pot lapen nang itu lah distrik Presiden Karbi Anglong asai Anglong ini itu mana conference nang kangni long pot advance ini distrik Presiden Karbi Anglong long ini itu karbi bocor ya song adalah di distrik pen central pen jelang sih itu lah tong sekot pen asal conference ini nang kok akhir alam aja laporan lo je lah non Karbi Anglong autonomous council long kedobong dancing rong piapan autonomous council long pen palang ya apus pen hek lo nanggi lah pen alang ipan spesial lah kala long non lah ai chance kedobong sok lo nanggi lah pen alang yang darong kan ke klembong bawa otoriti yang darong kan ke klembong amondo turun rong piapan terminate nanggi konennya situ press conference kedobong lang lo lah darong ka la turun rompi alang iphan itu pinian make poklana la penrat agi kancong situ jongpon delo la so press conference koi ben nang itu media koi ben Karbi long la kedo bon non la korwe long le kan hok dun bek abang ku abang phier tumaphan alang li long ko an si long le pichima la pen alang li non ko an atangka si turun ekonom makiruji mata atanang itu phan itu kagos koi nampak langko sekarang bang kita management kubong ni itu arjulong bonglo panang itu dah arjulong tak hello la management ko atom bhan korwe long abino ke komal ke point ke hena itu media hoy arjung tum durbo la so management bhan authority tu ke point lo ma male Karbi Anglong autonomous council long non ke do bon iem land revenue iem omorsi piso ke point lo ma mate kala charge ke do bon Mr. Fencing long piso ke point lo mate turun rong pisi la so management atau pan ke point lo ladang itu cinyang tum do la penal itu media hoi pen la korwe lo long le kam hok dun bek abang ko bang bituan pacini lo je nang itu number 1 omor diso den ta romajo wang ko meeting nang dolin ko 10% nang pinanji 10% nang pipete korwe ta kan nang happy jadi ko bangge nang itu kakere nang di alam masih ada nomor ini bangge laki nang itu malong le kamahok alat nang itu kan compensation nang bilo laki nang itu kemang nang ji masih lo laki nang itu matang kalo lapen ke forle nalong le long la kamahok dun rek abang ko abang itu non kemang ji langar ni jong 10% nang pen management tum rong nang dulu ko tang ke jakong ke nang itu bilo nang itu si laki cingsai nang ko laki padut long le nang ko management tum ala 10% kilo long manje nang itu si hak cek nang ko jakong ke nang itu masih dulu ko pa ke lang kan forwe along le along kana hok dun bet la long le hai butu kemang ji langar ni bangke nang itu na omor disole nang li hamle bangoi sida me nang itu na 10% tangka jungjung ali hamake nang itu nang helo isi itu ni ka dilo charli asong pe bangke nang pasin itu la pela turun lo pipen tensi ro pipan pasunan ki po the bangke alang itu beneficiaries tumo lagi ne kan jela mlode la data se kan jela mo report se kan jela mo turun rompi amena jungjung amen dak 60 crore tangka turun rompi amen long doko long kikep doi long kikep long ke turun rompi amen sidar bo sinang tham